was going to the Beast Mode store. Check out that video up here. So now we have bright sun. I'm not in the cold. I don't have on like 4 layers of clothes. So I'm going to head over to Pikes place. That would be my first stop before I head over to the underground tour. So let's go check it out. For a donation for bracelets, but hey, it's cool. Keep my wallet closed till I get to where I'm going. So I guess I made it to Pikes place. Yeah, it smell like weed, like so bad. So I'm not hot as hell. All right, let's go explore. The famous gum wall, like people legit just take their gum and just put it all up here. Overwhelming. It's just like, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed being in the gum, I'm calling it gum alley, but it's actually a gum wall, but it's like 2